Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel, y'all. Today is the day of days. This is the start of Project Mattel. Hoover Vision Project Mattel. First thing I'm going to do is take the lid off. Now I'm going to remove the soap drawer. Now I'm going to remove the door. I'm now going to remove the door band. And I'm going to push the seal inside the drum. If it will let me. Oh, you bum. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Bloody thing. I can now see 4 screws that I think are holding on this front panel. Okay, now I'm going to remove the soap dispenser box. Okay, I'm gonna take a sandwich bag and put these in it. And then tuck them inside out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna open there. Drain the water out. Let me get a bowl. Okay, let's see what we get out of this. huge chunks of limescale. Okay, so in terms of stripping the machine down, that is as far as I need to go. So I need to get a bucket of water and some detergent and wipe everything over, and I'll come back to you when that's done. So it's the very next day and it is time to do some sanding. So let's crack on. So I've got the worst of the rust off. I don't have to be fussy with it. I'm not taking it down to bare metal. It was just to take the paint off. And what I've got here is some hammerite crust. So I'm now going to apply that to it. And I'm going to put a little bit on the door down there as well. Okay, I'm going to leave that dry for an hour and come back to it. Okay, so that has now changed the rust. What I'll do is I'll put a little bit of primer on it later. What I need to do with the rest of the machine is just to gently sand it, not looking to remove the paint, just to get rid of the shine on it, the gloss, so that when I paint it, it's got something for the paint to stick to. Now that's all the sanding done, so I've just taken off the shine for it to give it something for the paint to stick to. I just put another coat of the crust on top of that because some of it rubbed off when I was sanding it, but it's all rough now. Excellent. I haven't done around the back because I'm not touching that. I will be masking up just at the back, and the back will remain white. I did the board as well at the top, sanded that down so it can be painted. So the next thing I have to do now is wait for that to dry and just spray on a little bit of primer. Okay, everything is dry, so I've got some white primer. Right, I'm going to leave that dry and then I'll do another little bit of a coat. I now have everything that I need to start painting. I have the paint, I have the brush, the dust sheet is down there, yep, there. So I'm going to paint the top part first and then the rest of the machine. It's going to be done in time lapse, and unfortunately I'm going to be doing it in black and white because you're not going to get to see what it's going to be. Speak to you in a minute. So, ladies, gentlemen, yeah, caballeros, everybody, it is now time to reveal the transformation of the Hoover. And here she is, the world's first Barbie, fully operational, 8kg Hoover Vision HD in Barbie pink with the logos, covered in diamantes all around the door and the front in fetching Barbie pink. I know you're lost for words, so am I. A vision of pink, but even Katie Price I think would appreciate that. So there we go, guys. That is the transformation complete and working absolutely perfectly, apart from the bearings which are on their way out. I will not be filming the spin in this cycle, but we have actually transformed this into a Mattel nightmare. So I hope you've enjoyed. Join me for the next episode and we'll do some more videos in Barbie. Bye y'all.